Ka Meghalaya Swimming Association MSA kadap da kamansim ka bakaman bat sengu sarang Hadien bahai ki arpulai tali ki snem ki bala sengla dang ya ka kentang ya wai kelala bakan sein ki sangti hi jongka he ki rang ni ki thayele kai ki balong pat kalawe ka jela da ka jingla ban yok khur ya ka takmar nong ne ban wan ban bat ya ka kyrdan ka balai ha ka kyrdan ya kop jingi ka basan 4 meters freestyle open category Haka First Khelo India Tribal Games 2026 Chhattisgarh. Hadien kanipan kapediang suklang singwan na Sheila kalala lem bakan bat ya kakerdan kapalai haga 50 meters freestyle open category haka lumpung ka women through action ASMITA Women's Swimming League Eastern Zone Guwahati. Nalor ka veram gedalia nongsi kiway pat kirang bat ki thayle ka ki bala mikman yala ka jila shaka first Khelo India Tribal Games 2026 bala long ha Chhattisgarh kilong Nazarene Paryong Emir Takso Mayai Pensan Eltron Meban Kitbok Lang Banai Jennifer Rombai Ban Penshngain Singwan bat ka Elbers Winston Karbani kat ba kirang bat ki thele kai ki bralet punya khun shaka ASMITA Women's Swimming League E Zone Guwahati kilong Gil Darlin Siem Sumar Biang Maulong Ilarisuk Buroy Tivisha Jalewa Eugenia Sumer Kumta habayade batkani ka MSA haka laipwe triklber arja arpun rio kala penlong ya ka jingalang ban penku buram ya ka verem gedalia nong sin bat kumjo ya ka pediang suklang singwan lambat iki wepat kirang bat thayele kai kiba ka jinglan ladi ka jing IT ka jongki ka penlong ya ka MSA menta pakan yo iya ka jingkermen ya ka lawe ka bansawan kumjo ya u coach bat ya ka team manager jongkan ya ka kinhun ya ka ni ka jingalang na penlong ya ka hakrinolin swimming pool haka bala don lang kinongkit kam ka MSA hapo ka jingalam uba yan lingdo bade u president ba baika ar lingdo secretary bat kit khot nongkit kam ka sunjok bat ru ki kmi pa jong ki khina ka jingpun ku buram ka MSA ka long da ka sunat purto bat ru i jain tawa ya ka balaya rapan sam ya ki da president secretary bat kit khot ka MSA.
For the very first time, Meghalaya collected medals at a national meet. And that too with our limited resources, limited facilities, we could manage. And I would also like to congratulate especially the swimmers who have dedicated their time and everything, including their parents, to make them athletes of a national caliber. We still have a long way to go. As you all know, Meghalaya Swimming Association has been there for more than 20 years now, more than 23 years. So our journey started 23 years ago, and it took us 20 years to reach where we are right now. So it's not the destination actually. The destination is getting into the podium and wearing the medals, but it's the journey. The journey where we have, fought tooth and nail against all odds. Get our athletes, young athletes to, commit themselves to the sport and convince them. It's a very long journey. But this journey is also, we still have a long way to go with the nationals coming. And if you look at the age group of our athletes, they're very young. Most of them are below 20 years. A few are 20 and 21 years and in their 20s. I think only one is in her 20s. So this is one or two in the 20s. So this is a kind of the path forward for Meghalaya Swimming Association. And we're looking to provide them the best. We also thank the government of Meghalaya for the team preparation that has helped this young athletes to achieve what they have achieved. Since last year, we were supported by the government of Meghalaya, by the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, to give our swimmers the required coaching, the required facilities. Even though we have a 25 meters pool, we had to take them out to Jorhat. So Jorhat was a 14 days training camp, then go to Guwahati again another 14 days training camp. So on and off with trying to cope with all this practice with their studies. Most of them are class 10, class 11, class 12. So it's not an easy task to balance the studies and their sport. But they've given their best. Also, like to thank our coach, who we have recruited since last year. There's a lot of difference now. Previously, they used to swim 1 kilometer. Now they can swim for 8 kilometers a day. Thanks to our coach, Mr. Santosh. He has really contributed so much. And having a coach, all this time we did not have a coach, but having a coach really makes a difference. So in any sports ecosystem, we need the support staff, we need the coach, and we need, there are a lot of people involved to make champions. Infrastructure is a given. We don't have the infrastructure. In fact, if you look at all the top athletes, infrastructure is always there. We don't have the required infrastructure. 25 meters pool and 50 meters pool. So when our swimmers go and swim in a 50 meters pool, it's a world of difference. Then a coach is needed. Then you need a physiotherapist. You need a nutritionist. Food is very important. You need strength training. You need a psychologist. So all these things matter in us. If you want to produce champions. We've tried our best. So this team preparation that is ongoing till now, we have a physiotherapist, we have a nutritionist, we don't have a psychologist yet, but I think the coach is trying to handle many things, and we also try to handle many things. But at the end of the day, as a team, I think this is an achievement, and we really look forward to improving in the years to come. In fact, the national games, which is going to be hosted by Meghalaya, is happening in 2027, provided the infrastructure is put up on time. But we have a lot of hope because looking at our young swimmers, 13, 14 years old, by the time they peak, means they can compete with other swimmers. Freestyle. And of course, in the Khelo India Tribal Games, I was talking to the coach and he said that our swimmers have lots of potential. In fact, we could have won many medals, but because of the few days that we have to practice. But of course, Verum Longse has proven that, with the right facilities, with the right temperament, we can get a podium finish. And she has proven it. She lost by, I will not say lost, but microseconds. Just a microsecond left. And we expected more from our male swimmers too. But anyway, this is the start of the journey. We don't look back, we look forward, and we hope that in the future our swimmers will do well. Once again, congratulate everyone, the coach, the swimmers, the parents who have supported us so much.